with the iPad, the setup is very simple. It took me, let's say, probably 10 to 15 minutes to set up the initial setup. So far I'm pretty impressed from coming from a Android and Windows user. The application is very intuitive, so I really like it. It took me so long to get into iPad and Apple products. I don't know why it took that me so long, but here it is. I'm here, loving it so far. So with the setup, it's only take around 15 minutes max. The next thing that I did was I installed all the apps that I need to do my productivity. So I installed all my all the Android, all the Google stuff. So you have YouTube, Google Chrome, because I'm into video production as well, because I make YouTube for you guys. So I also install Luma Fusion. The reason why I get the iPad over other Android devices is Luma Fusion. That's the thing. So it's an editing software app that I really like, because touch-based. That's why I get an iPad. It's a touch-based, and I can edit all my videos on the go. I also bought a few accessories, but it hasn't arrived yet. So this one I got the iPad Air. It's the 64 gig version. So I'm not sure if it's enough to edit videos, but with the USB-C here, USB-C, you can actually get an external hard drive. I ordered an SSD drive, really, Samsung SSD drive, 500 gig. So that should be enough to edit all the videos that I need. But I think like Luma Fusion has, they make a proxy file inside the iPad itself. So you might not have enough memories if you plan to edit videos on the iPad Air, the base model. So I don't know about that yet, but don't count me on that. I'm just thinking. It's my thinking, okay? So it's there ready. You need it. Now I've been playing with Luma Fusion for touch base. I really like it. It's very intuitive. Just play around with it. It's very nice when you can touch the stuff and drag it onto your timeline. And that's the reason why I got the iPad in the first place, to use my finger to play with the footage. There's always the pen. They have the pen as well, but that's why I bought the accessories, so I can use the mouse, or I have the Wacom tablet, so I have the pen, a stylus, to be more precise editing if I need to. But for me, it's the way to go. Just touch the screen, come on the timeline, and I've been going through a lot of tutorials on how to edit with the Luma Fusion on the iPad. So I'm really excited. Now, if you're a Windows and Android user, should you switch back to the Apple? Should you convert to an Apple? I think you should. Right now, everyone's on a mobile these days. So the faster way you can edit your content, be more productive, because all the apps are more geared toward iOS device. All the application that you need to be more productive is in iOS, not Android, unfortunately. So you want to be more mobile, your editing, photo, videos, productivity. I suggest the iPad. So far I did my blog, I dictate to it, to Siri, and it can actually get me there 80% of the typing. So I don't need the mouse, it's a waste of time. So I just dictate into the iPad, and and it's, you know, it get me there 80% of the word that it come out. So I really like it. You know, that function alone can save me a lot of time. So I'm really, you know, excited to use this more for video editing once I get my my Samsung Galaxy. Once I get my hard drive, the accessory, so I put my SSD card into the iPad accessories, and I can edit from the hard drive with the iPad. So I'm really looking forward to that day. So until next that day, I will keep you guys posted on how I'm doing with my iPad. Yeah, this is Travis. If you find this video helpful for you, please consider like, share, subscribe, and I make a lot of how-to videos as well for you. So come check out my channel.